Today's first question. Who is the winner of the Badminton 2019 Malaysian Open Men's Singles? Lindan. Who is the athlete who set the maximum number 6 of the world records in span of 45 minutes? Carl Lewis. Davis Cup is related to which sports? Lawn tennis. Yasin Merchant is associated with which sports? Snooker. Azlan Shah Cup is associated with hockey. Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium is located at Hyderabad. We Cracku provide free mock test for SSC, railway and banking exam. For that, you only need to Google search Cracku free mock. Click on free mocks, then you will be able to find free mocks for SSC, banking and railways exams. Candidates can select their exam and take the free mock test. Select your language and start the mock. After taking this test, you will get detailed mock analysis and solution with percentile. Newlands Cricket Stadium is located in which country? South Africa. Who won the women's singles title in 27th ATP edition of Dubai Tennis Championship 2019? Belinda Bencic. Each team consists of how many players in the game of ice hockey? 6. India hosted Asian Games in which year? 1982. Green Park Cricket Stadium is located in Kanpur. Name the sportsman who became the first player to smash 500 sixes in one-day international cricket recently. Chris Gayle. K. Srikanth has won Arjuna Award for which sport in India? Badminton. Ryder Cup is awarded to the players of golf. Which English country did Sachin Tendulkar play for? Yorkshire. In which year did the open era of tennis started? 1968. In which year did the first Winter Olympics take place? 1924. Sudhirman Cup, a biennial event, is associated with badminton. The term birdie is related to which game? Golf. How many World Chess Championships did Indian GM Vishwanathan Anand win? 5. Aga Khan Cup is related to which sport event? Hockey. Which cricketer scored 400 runs in an innings in Test cricket? Brian Lara. The 1982 Asian Games were hosted by India. The team that won the first 2 World Cup cricket tournaments was West Indies. Geet Sethi is associated with which game? Billiards. Uber Cup is associated with badminton. With which game or sport is Davis Cup associated? Tennis. Indian Super League is associated with which sport? Football. The term roll-in is used in Hockey. Dronacharya awards are given to a person associated with sports. What is the national sport of Pakistan? Hockey. Vishwanath Anand is a world famous chess player. Deepika Palikal is associated with squash. The term jamming is associated with which sport? Lawn tennis. Sachin Tendulkar played his last test match in which stadium? Wankhede Stadium. Bar Kantullah Khan Stadium is located in which cities in India? Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Jonathan Power, who won recently held World Open Squash Championship, belongs to which country? Scotland. Which country is going to host the 2021 Special Olympics? Sweden. Who won the first silver medal for an individual event for India at the Olympics? Major R.S. Rathore. Which former Indian cricket captain was recently included as a member of the Laurus Sports Academy? Rahul Dravid. Australia has recently won the 27th Azlan Shah Cup. The trophy is associated with which sport? Hockey. Which country topped the medal tally in the recently concluded Asian Youth Athletics Championship? China. What is the motto of Olympics Games translated in English? Faster, higher and stronger. The award given for outstanding performance in sports is Arjuna Award. Who became the first batsman to score a double century in World Cup? Chris Gayle. Saina Nehwal is a famous player associated with the game of badminton. Begum Hazrat Mahal Cup is associated with which game? Football. Who became the first batsman in the world to hit 500 sixes in international cricket, including all formats of the game? Chris Gayle. The first shooter from India to claim a gold medal at the Youth Olympic Games is Manu Baker, which was the flag bearer for India at the closing ceremony of 18th Asian Games in Jakarta. Rani Rampal. How many silver medals India won at the 18th Asian Games in Jakarta? 24. With which sports is Mary Kom associated? Boxing. Faster, higher, stronger is motto for which games event? Olympics. Who is the first Indian sports person to have a stamp released after him during his lifetime? Sachin Tendulkar. In the game of cricket, the two sets of wickets are 22 yards apart. Who became the first Indian athlete to qualify for Tokyo Olympics? KT Irfan. Who is the first Pakistani to score a double century in ODIs? Fakhar Zaman. We Cracku provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Cracku SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link. Start the mock. The headquarters of International Cricket Council is located in which city? Dubai, UAE. CK Naidu Trophy is associated with which sports? Cricket. Who received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the Federation of Motor Sports Club of India Annual Awards Function 2019? J.R. Karthikeyan. Famous sports person Shubhakar Sharma is associated with which sports? Golf. Which sports game is played solo by a player? Chess. With which sports is the term Grand Slam associated? Lawn tennis. Which of the cups or trophies is associated with the game of cricket? Davis Cup. Which team won Asian Snooker Championship held in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan? India. India's Deepika Palikal and Sarah Cardwell of Australia recently played an international match in Chennai. Both of them are squash players. Who is the first Indian woman gymnast to qualify for Olympics? Deepa Karmakar. Who was the first Indian bowler to take hat-trick in Test cricket? Harbhajan Singh. Shiv Thapa is associated with which sport? Boxing. Jaspal Rana is the name associated with which game? Shooting. Wimbledon, known for lawn tennis tournament, is in London. FIFA is an organization working in the field of sports. The first women chess grandmaster from India is S. Vijayalakshmi. Who is the winner of ICIC Men's Cricket World Cup 2019 held in Lord's Cricket Stadium? England. En passant is a term associated with which game? Chess. Offside is a term associated with which sport? Football. Sushil Kumar, who won a gold medal at an international event, is a famous wrestling champion. Nisha Millet, a famous sports personality, is associated with which of the following games? Swimming. Which country will be hosting the Cricket T20 World Cup in the year 2020? Australia. World famous tennis star Rafael Nadal is from which country? Spain. Ranji Trophy is associated with the game of cricket. With which sports is Pulila Gopichand associated? Badminton. Famous sports person Sanjita Chanu is associated with which sports? Weightlifting. Andy Murray is a famous player associated with the game of lawn tennis. How many players are there in a team of volleyball? 6. Who has the record of highest number of gold medals in the history of Olympics? Michael Phelps. Joshna Chinnappa and Leib Hansen are associated with the sports of squash. Which country won the first Cricket World Cup? West Indies. Saurav Kothari is related to which sports? Billiards. Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2019 held at Samoa. We are Cracku providing previous year papers for IBPS clerk. For that, you only need to search Cracku IBPS previous year papers. Now click on the link. You can take the test and also download PDF. Pitcher is the term used in which sports? Baseball. Who is the winner of women's single in French Open 2019 held at the Roland Garros in France? Aisling Barty. Him Gold Cup is related to which sport? Hockey. The number of FIFA World Cups that Brazil has won is 5. Who is currently the highest ranked male chess player from India? Vishwanath Anand. Which male tennis player has won maximum number of Grand Slam tournaments in singles? Roger Federer. Li Shifeng won the Canada Open 2019. He belongs to which country? China. Vaibhav Yadav belongs to which sports? Boxing. Which country won the Sudhir Man Cup 2019 in the category of Mixed Team Championship? China. Last question of the day. How many players from each team play in a game of basketball? 5. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.